Okay, so I am outside now, and we're gonna do a few little tests. It's extremely windy, so this is a perfect time to test the Rode microphone. You're probably gonna be able to hear it through the dead cat because it is extremely windy. If you look at the trees over here, if you look at those trees up behind me, maybe this one's even better, or the leaves on the ground, it's blowing. It is really blowing. So this, in my right hand, on the right hand side of the video, you are going to see the Hero, that's not going to stay. You're going to see the Hero 3 camera. Okay, so this is the Hero 3 Black on the, well, I'm facing the right hand camera, so when watching it, it'll probably be on the left. Okay, so Hero 3 Black, Hero 4 Black, Rode VideoMic in, no mic at all. We're gonna try and switch that up a little bit. We're gonna try and add in the Rode VideoMicro. This is just a video test, so I'm testing at the same quality. I've got 1080p 60 frames a second in wide mode on both of them, so they're recording, and it's basically just a video test to see how it works. It is an audio test as well to see how this guy works, and that's pretty much it. So video, wind, it's windy out. I'm sure the dead cat's making a huge difference. Okay, so very, very windy out. You can probably see how that looks. Very, very windy out. I have the Rode VideoMicro on. This is an audio test just to see what the quality's like, but we're gonna do a couple different things. So I'm gonna put the GoPro Hero 4 Black down. I wanna take the lens cap off. I want to see if that makes a difference. So I have the lens cap off of the Hero 3, and I just want to see if that makes a difference. So I'm going to take this, put it on here now, and what's that look like? Hero 4 with the lens cap on, does it make a difference? Does it not? I really don't know. So we're just going to see. So that was the lens cap. I keep it on my Hero 3 right here. So let's put it back on. Good. We're going to do a second test with the Rode VideoMicro dead cat off. So we're gonna take this off. What's that sound like? Probably rather loud actually with the wind. You can see how windy it is. Look at the dead cat blowing. So we're gonna put this back on. I'm gonna put it back on. And it probably makes a difference. I have no clue what this is going to look like until the end. Okay, so, whoa, almost blew over. They're a little more sturdy. So, okay, so Rode VideoMicro on. We're going to unplug it here and then plug it into the Hero 4 Black. Okay, Hero 4. So, take that out, plug it in there. Just plugged it into the Hero 4. This is now the audio out of the Rode VideoMicro, and I just want to see what the difference is. So it won't be a very, very long clip, but it's just to see what the audio is like with the Rode VideoMicro plugged into the Hero 4 Black. Small little test. Let's pull the dead cat off again. Really, really windy out. My hands are freezing. There. Hero 4 Black with the dead cat off. Okay, so if I talk, blah, 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 what's it sound like? Very, very windy, I am sure. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you later. See you in the next video. Blah. Ho, 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 ho.
Thank you guys very, very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash that like button, leave a comment, and consider subscribing for more videos. See you guys next time on All Things Sports by Mike McIntyre.